Hi and welcome back to Living Your Best Life 101, where you'll find exercises, workouts and recipes for health and well-being. If it's your first time here and you like what you see, then why not subscribe to the channel, click on the bell to get notified every time I post a new video. In this 12-minute core and back exercise HIIT workout, which is the first of a 3-part series, the exercise durations will gradually get longer, so therefore progressively overloading and helping us to keep getting fitness gain. In this no equipment core and back exercise HIIT workout, we're going to be focusing on exercises for the core and back, but it even includes a little bit of work for the glutes and shoulders too. It's a great home workout that you can do if you're short on time, but you'd like to get in a little core and back workout using bodyweight exercises to help you improve core strength and stability, and also increase muscle tone and burn fat too. So let's get right into it, shall we? Starting with a gentle warm-up and some mobility exercises and stretches before we get on to the harder work. Okay, we're just going to start then with a gentle side squat and back to center on both sides. Remember, these exercises coming up in this workout are going to be really good for helping you to burn fat and lose weight fast. The reason for that, just row and curl, the reason for that is that they're going to speed up your metabolism by increasing your muscle mass. We're also going to be working the core and the back exercises, which are really good obviously for your core strength and helping you to promote correct posture. Now just step back into a little lunge and a front raise, alternate legs, nice and gently, not too deep. We're just warming up and mobilising, remember. Relax there, leg kick and opposite arm reach. Just gentle moves. Remember as well, this is going to be really good, this workout, for helping you to increase feelings of wellness and well-being as well. It's a win-win, whatever. Okay, hands on hips, rotate clockwise. Just quickly warming us up, change direction. Okay, relax, squat, and just take the arms back in circles. That's good, nice and gently, and forwards, and good. And relax there. We're just going to take the left hand up, stretch it over to the right hand side. That's it, nice and gently, change sides, and stretching that side. Okay, arms by the side, just rotate the spine. Keep the hips facing forward. Just twist the upper body. Preparing the spine, really important in these core and back workouts. Relax there. Push the hands down, left ear to left shoulder. Stretching the right side of the neck. And relax, right ear now, right shoulder. Push the hands down. Okay, chin onto the chest, push the hands forward. Okay, relax there. Let's get into the core and back workout now, starting with a side plank on the left side.
We've got options as always. It could be elbows and knees. And we hold. Feet off the floor. Slightly harder onto the feet. In between, knees and out. Hardest of all, feet and out. Lift those hips, engage that core, but swap it over to the other side. Choose your level, hold your position. Deep breaths. Engage the core, lift the hips. And relax. Okay, we're going to lie face down. We're going to lift our arms up, squeeze our shoulder blades together. So we're here. Arms behind us, head looking down, squeeze and lower. Lift the shoulders up, breathe out, return breathing. other side, little variation, squeeze and return. Breathe out and in, out and in. And relax. Take it straight up into a plank. Now we could be elbows and knees. Make sure the hips are level with the shoulders. We could be elbows and feet. A little bit harder. Keep those hips nice and high. Don't let them drop too much. And it could be, of course, hardest of all, hands. Your hands and feet, push those heels away. Squeeze that belly button into the spine. And breathe. You see more of the plank than me. Hold and squeeze. And relax. Roll it onto the back. Pretend we're on a bike. Laying on our back. So, hands can be out to the side. Or for a bit of support under the bottom. Engage the core. The feet. Breathe out and in. Out and in. Slow. Control. If this feels too hard, just don't quite straighten the legs. The arms out. Make it harder. And then pull that belly button into the spine. Breathe. And relax. Breath in and out, and roll it over. Golden dog position, that's good pause. Now left arm, squeeze the core, squeeze the glutes, left arm, right leg. Hold this position. Don't forget to breathe. Change over. Right hand, left leg. Pull those hands in tight. Squeeze those glutes, push the hand and the foot away, and relax. Okay, back onto the back. You're going to hug the knees onto it. So, legs are straight out in front. You're going to hug that knee, and then straighten it, and hug it over. So down and up, down. Dropping down, keeping that core engaged all the time. Breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, and in. This is too hard, feet on the floor, just reach up, reach for the knees. Relax. Okay, onto one pause again. We're going to take that left leg out straight behind us. We're just going to lift the heel up and down. Core is tight and engaged. Breathe in. Breathe out and in. Breathe out and in. Breathe out last time and in. Relax. Change legs. Right leg out straight. Core engaged. Breathe out and in. Breathe out. Exercise. We're going to lay on our back, we're going to lift our feet in the air, and we're going to reach up with our hands to the side and down. Breathe out and in. Breathe out and breathe out and in. Now, easiest version, arms below. Harder, the arms closer to the head.
Starting the cool down stretch, then point the toes away from the body, push the hands up above the head, stretching the front of the body. Remember that these stretches are really important, working on flexibility, also helping us to relax the muscles. Now, point the toes towards the body, push the palms of the hands towards the floor. Deep recovery breaths. Remember, we need to be stretching. Probably bring the knees into chest now. Probably need to be stretching a little bit longer if we've got the time to do so. That would be my recommendation anyway. It's really going to help us to increase flexibility if that's something we're looking to achieve. We're just going through these stretches quickly now, with this being a short workout now. Drop the knees over to the left, arms and head to the right. Really important to do these stretches to help us to release any tension. Change sides, legs over to the right, arms and head to the left. Really going to be important, if we do feel any tension, to repeat these stretches but for a little bit longer. It can be later in the day or it can be the next day as well. Okay, on all fours, just a little cat and cow stretch. Lift the head, breathe in, hollow the back, and cat. Breathe out. One more time. Head up, breathe in. And breathe out, arch. Now push it back into child's pose. Walk the hands forward as far as you can. Sit back onto your feet. Okay, now slowly bring yourself up. Feet underneath you, halfway up. Just grab the elbows, gently stretch in that ragdoll pose. Gently twisting. And slowly curl up. And relax there. Focus now on the positive action that you've just taken by completing this core and back exercise HIIT workout, and say a quiet thank you for your body and your effort today. And remember that in the next workout in the series, the exercise durations are going to increase a little bit to make it a little bit harder so that we keep making those fitness gains. If you've enjoyed this workout, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it on your social media. Leave me a comment below because I'd love to know what you thought of it. And if you haven't already, then please think about subscribing to the channel and hit that bell to get notified of new videos every week. Or you could also click on the link to the website in the description below, and therefore you can get access to all my exercise content and much more. So well done, good work, and thanks for joining me today. If you still want to do more, you could check out this video here if you'd like to try a cardio HIIT workout, or this one here if you'd like to do a bit more stretching and beginner yoga. And as I said before, thanks for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed this workout and I hope you have a really great day ahead. Namaste. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.